Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy BNB with Ethereum on Trust Wallet. So first of all, we'll be opening up our Trust Wallet application like so. You always have to input your passcode to gain access. Once that's done, you locate your Ethereum, which is on the BEP20 network, that's on the Smart Chain network. This is going to enable us easily swap our coin to BNB without having to use any other exchange platforms apart from PancakeSwap, saying as it's on Trust Wallet. So you locate your Ethereum Smart Chain. Here it is. This is BEP20 here highlighted here. You exit and you head over to the coin you would like to swap to, being Smart Chain BNB, like so. This Smart Chain. Once that's done, we'll be heading over to the DApp section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once we're there, we're going to be scrolling down and clicking on one of the most popular exchange platforms out there, PancakeSwap. You give it some time to load in. Once it's loaded in, you still give it some time to load in to make sure your account is connected. As you can see, I'm actually connected, else I wouldn't be given the opportunity or the option to disconnect. My balance is actually shown here on the BNB. So now I'll click on this cake. I'll scroll down and search for, search for Ethereum. Give it some time. Most of the time, you might actually have to paste their contract address if they aren't shown. Okay, our Ethereum token is here. You click on it, and now you click on the arrow pointing down, and now you click on max. That's all of our Ethereum. $1.82 USD or $1.82 would become $1.81, and you simply click on enable Ethereum. A smart contract call comes in asking for the approval. Your network fee is $0.07. It's quite low. You click on approve, and then you give it some time. It pushes over to swap, and you click on swap. And that's how you buy BNB with Ethereum on Trust Wallet. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions, comment down below and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.